Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel, Live Life Gorgeous. I hope you all are doing well. I'm doing great. So, it's day 6 of my self care challenge, as you all know. So, I'm so happy that I've made it to this far, like 6th day, with so much of discipline, literally back to the habits. I hope it will be like this only after I ended making vlogs. So yeah, hope for the best. So day 5 vlog has been updated, and those who are new to my channel, welcome everyone. So this is me, Snegdha, and this is a mixed vlogging channel. You may get to see podcast related videos, product review vlogs, and daily life vlogging. And this is my website and my page. I used to write a lot. So this is for the readers who love reading. So this is my website. You can see Snegdha Bhagat blog. You can google me, and Love Peace is the page of my blogspot, and my blogs are the page of my website. So you may go and check out. You'll easily get to find this. So yeah, this is who I am. So I always start my day with a prayer and gratitude to the universe for giving me new life, which is a new day. And I promise them, and I promise to myself, to make it to the best of my own capabilities. So yes, and throat clear, mouth clear, and time to have lukewarm water, empty stomach, and try to make it a habit to talk to your food, to your drink, before having it, because you never know what vibration it got. So before having meal or a drink, just try to talk some positive word, talk some blessings, which we call blessings from the other person. You can get it, you can bring that to you yourself by your own. So just try that. I love this part of the morning where I come and sit in the nature, talk to them. I love talking to plants. They are the great healers. The best part is they actually listen to you. Whatever you say, they listen to you. Nature is a great healer. Then have my own time, breathing exercise, and yoga, face yoga sometimes. Things like that make me feel like I'm actually breathing, make my every single part breathing. So yeah. Then I came downstairs and took a shower, and then going to have a meal of the day, first meal of the day. And but before that, some almonds. Then I again came back to upstairs, and the weather was actually very pleasant. And I just came to serve the food for the bird and some water. So I placed that for them, and then I just this is how I spend my day. It was a great day actually, and yeah, I worked on my writing as well. So there's gonna be a new blog on my website, on blogspot.com. So within a few days. So yeah, I'm working on it. So the topic the topic is solitude. So yeah, I'm working on it. So this is how I spend my day. I hope you had a great day too. Then I enjoyed my evening walk, and this is how I spend my day. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, which is Live Life Gorgeous.